As you see on the title, you will become a brand designer on just one day. So I'm gonna show you right now on my laptop, so all the resources and all the things you will need to just kickstart from today and start your agency from just like $0. Like as I said, not at $0, but you will see how you will use and how you will start everything. So if you just want to make some couple thousand bucks a month, so this video is for you. But if you want to make some 10k or 20k, this video also for you, but you will understand something that will be helpful for you. So as I said, let's jump into my screen. So as you see right here, I'm a brand designer. I have a big portfolio all over Behance. As you see right here, I have I'm 7 times featured on Behance. If you are a designer, you will know getting featured on Behance is something medium or a big thing. But as I said, I prepare for you a starter pack. It's called a starter pack. You will need to kickstart your agency from today. If you are just a beginner, if you want just to start from today, you will start with this template. Because why? You will need all the resources is here. All the resources you will need are here. So as you see, the invoice, the design contract, also the one-page proposal. So the proposal is meaning so the prices and the proposal you will offer to the clients, and I will show you how to get also the clients. So as you see right here, the brand discovery, the brand strategy template, the logo design, the logo usage guides. As you see right here, for example, the brand strategy, you will see all the things you will need to just go to ChatGPT, and you will tell me how I'm gonna fill out all this text and paragraphs. So you can just go to ChatGPT and write one sentence, and he will give you paragraphs of unlimited text. So it's easy for you. But here I made 10 templates. For example, the brand, for example, the contract, here is it. You can just fill out your name, the date, and also all the things are here good. So you can just send it to the client to look professional. For if you want just $300 or $500, you can send it to your client and he will sign it back, and then you will kickstart your journey on branding design. So as you see right here, there is a lot of offers as a offer. And also, if you want to find the clients, I will just call you one thing. I'm gonna show you one thing is just go to Google Maps and write solar company USA and go all the way down, and just click on random ones. For example, I will click on this one. You will see, oh my god, bro, what the hell is this logos, bro? Just so we're gonna be reasonable. So you see, this is a bad logo. You can do better. If you just started from this minute you see this video, you're gonna do a better logo than that. Or you just go to Fiverr and make a logo for $5 and offer your offer and make your offer $300. So all the things will be just take the logo and drop it on the templates that I'm giving you, and then get your $300 easy on just one day. So you can do 3 offers. You can get $1,000 on just one day using the templates and using the form of getting the client. So you can just go to here and get a client, offer them, I'm gonna do your website, I'm gonna do your logo and branding and everything. You will just go, and you will ask me how I'm gonna do the website. You can just go to Framer and go right here on Framer, go to marketplace as I said, and go to see all new templates free, and then you will see a lot of website templates. You can just and use the free version of Framer. Don't use the pro. Just fill out and customize the website for your clients. And also the second thing is where you can get these templates that I did. Just go to my link right down below. You can get them on just $44, and this price will increase with time if there is a high demand. If there is no high demand, will stay for $44. So just don't miss out this opportunity to get this template for just $44. And if you want to learn, if you didn't understand anything, you can just go to my Instagram and ask me, bro, I didn't know how to use this template. I'm gonna record a video for you. I'm gonna record a video for you, and I'm gonna show you how to use it for free. I'm not gonna charge you some extra money to show you how to use my templates. You can just go DM me, please bro, how I'm gonna use this template. I'm gonna show you everything how to use the templates and just kickstart your journey, bro. You gotta just start with the $44. And also, if you want to get to call the clients from Google Maps, you gonna just copy the phone number and just go to GoHighLevel. Use my link right down, my affiliate link, so you can get a 40-day free trial. This GoHighLevel offered you a lot of US numbers, so you can just call from GoHighLevel itself, from the platform, and you can just call the like copy the number and paste this on the platform GoHighLevel, and then call them. Hello, I have an offer for you, website and branding, a logo design for just $300. They will not say no. You have a great sales skills, you will get these clients really like as quick as today. As I said, you can become a brand designer on just today. And as you see right here, there is like the your branding design workflow. So this branding design workflow, it contains 10 files, and as you see right here, there is all the 10 files. So when you will purchase the offer, you will get all these 10 files as I showed you right here on the brand design workflow. So just what do you bro, what do you wait for? What are you waiting for? Just kickstart and start from today, 2 hours a day, 3 hours a day, using these templates. There is a big template, and if you don't know anything, just go on my Instagram and ask me, bro, I didn't know how to use it, and I will show you everything. Thank you guys, and I hope y'all doing well, and thank you for your watching this video. Subscribe, like, and please subscribe and like.